In this video, we'll learn about carboxylic acids and esters. Carboxylic acids contain a carboxyl group, or C double bonded O with an OH, so a carbonyl and a hydroxyl on the same carbon, and that'll be found at the end of the molecule. And this functional group makes them polar and soluble in water. Carboxylic acids are weak acid, the name kind of gives it away, and they have high melting and boiling points. So for naming these types of molecules, you name the parent chain like an alkane, but then you drop the end E and you add the suffix oic acid. So here's our example. We have 3 carbons. So this is going to be propanoic acid. And that's how you name a carboxylic acid. Now, esters are used a lot of times in industry. They're responsible for many of the flavors and scents that are added to things. They're made from both an alcohol and a carboxylic acid, and they're polar due to the carbonyl that's extending off of the molecule, and this gives them high melting and boiling points. So there's a little bit more work in naming an ester. So the first thing you do is you count the carbons leading up to the oxygen in the chain, and you choose the corresponding prefix, and then you add the suffix YL, and then you count the carbons from the carbonyl to the end of the molecule and name as an alkane, and you drop the end E and add the suffix O8. So here's our example. So leading up to the oxygen, there's 1, 2, 3 carbons. So this is going to be propyl. And then after the oxygen, there's only 2. So 1, 2. So it's going to be propyl ethanoate. And that's how you name an ester. So now we're going to practice with a couple of examples mixed in together. So you have to practice recognizing which type of molecule you're looking at. So the first one, the carboxyl group is at the end. So that would be a carboxylic acid. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be pentanoic acid. The next one leading up to, so this one's an ester because it's in the middle. So there's 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be propyl. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So propylbutanoate. Okay, our next one, we're being asked to draw hexanoic acid. So I'll draw it collapse. So CH3, CH2, that's 2. CH2 is 3. CH2 is 4. CH2 is 5. And then we have the carboxyl group on the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so hexanoic acid. The third one is butyl ethanoate. So this time we need to draw CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. So there's the butyl, 0, or oxygen, sorry, and then ethanoate. So now we draw the C double bonded O, and then CH3. So butyl ethanoate.